In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi. So one of the easiest steps is simply to toggle Wi-Fi in airplane mode. So if you go as an example in here, make sure to just go and turn plane mode on and simply wait 5 seconds as an example and then turn it off again. So once you turn it off, just go to your Wi-Fi. Oh, sorry, when I open like the airplane mode, it's turned off like my Wi-Fi, so the connection went out. So here we go again, and simply now you can go to your Wi-Fi as example and try to connect to the Wi-Fi again. If that didn't work, make sure to go to the Wi-Fi settings again and simply click on the I button. In here, make sure to go and click on forget this network and confirm it and reconnecting and re-enter the password. This basically will clear or clear any corrupt connection data. One of the other things that can work, two things, either by restarting your phone, you can simply try that, try to restart your phone, or trying to restart your Wi-Fi router. Just go and unplug it, example, and wait for 30 seconds and plug it again. For example, if you have like a button for turning it off and on, that works too. But unplugging it will be better. The last thing that you can do, or maybe something other than last thing, because last thing is you just go and look for any iOS updates. Maybe they have an updates and fix for that, and then install basically any pending updates on your settings example. So you can go to settings, click on general, and here basically you can go and look for software updates. If there are any updates, just go and install. Make sure to even have the automatic updates on. It's very good for you. So an example for me, I had an update here. You can just go and click on updates. So the last thing that will work or should work for you, simply if you go here again to the settings, click on general, and here make sure to go if nothing like works for you. This is the last option that you can do. Is simply if you scroll down here to the bottom, you should find like this transfer and reset phone, and make sure to go and click on reset. Once you click on reset, basically here go and click on reset network settings, and then you'll have to go and enter the passcode and confirm, and this will erase every saved Wi-Fi and passwords. So you'll have to go and reconnect after the reset. And this should be the best option example if nothing works that I mentioned earlier. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.